Okay, today we actually cover function modules. Function modules are very important for modularization of your ABAP code. And in function modules, this basically actually gives you quite a lot of liberty and working space when you're talking about modularization, that you can actually separately keep your code. It can be for any purpose, for reporting, for making a module, or for integrations, for calculation, or for fetching any table, any variable, and that can be maintained and reused in other programs. And programs actually import or invoke functions. Okay. But you cannot execute functions independently. It has to lean on the program. Okay. And it is actually called using call function. It is being maintained between function and end function keywords. That is the part where the functions are maintained, and it is invoked using the call in function. It's created in function type pool program, which is SE37. Let's go and see that. Okay, we created this last time, but we'll create another one, ZT67. Function call, 26 September, change. Oh, okay. Before that, more, go to functional groups, create groups, and we'll create another group, save, local objects. Okay. Function call 26 September, and let's create it. Function group is function group 2, save. Attributes. Now, basically, this is a framework. Function is a framework. It gives you the liberty and the control of maintaining your parameters, your own parameters. Like whether it's a regular function or remote enabled. Remote enabled means that you're integrating with third-party software. So yes, functions can actually integrate with other software as well. Okay, update modules for databases. Okay, it's a regular function. Import. This is import module, and we are giving the parameters over here. It will be a type. Associated type will be Matner. Okay. Import material number. Export, because what we are importing, we are pulling material number from parameters. Okay. And this will be, once we are importing material number, we will have to pass value. Okay. So in exchange for the material number, what we are going to export is description. MacText is the description. Type MacText. We're not passing any value because we're exporting it. And this will be export material description. Source code. Now this is function. Over here, what we are going to write is pretty simple. Okay, we have already done these steps. And these steps are basically pretty much self-explanatory as well. Material number is there. In exports, we have actually maintained all the details. If it is passed by value, we'll select checkbox in imports. We've already done that. Parameters are mandatory. If they are optional checkbox can be checked. But this is not optional because IMatner will be associated with PMatner, which is parameters. So it is not optional. Okay, this is not optional parameter. We cannot ignore it. Export tab exports to the program. Okay, it exports to the SE38 program. In some scenarios, either program will give values or functional modules. For values to be given from a program function, changing tab helps here. Changing. Over here, we can actually change our tabs, but we'll see this. There's a little bit advanced discussion. Let's go to source code. Okay. And in source code, what do we have? Function. We have function over here. Function pool. ZT67. Function call. 26th September. Okay. And we'll write this select single Mac text from MAKT. This is the table. MAKT is the table. Into export MAKTX. This is the export parameter. So it's feeding the export parameter where Matner equals IM Matner. Okay. Check. A report or program statement already exists, means function pool. Function. Number 9. Okay. Check. No syntax errors. Activate. So we are activating our function. Does not begin function pool. Activate. Okay. Save it. It's activated. Now we'll go to. We'll create another one. Function call 26th September. Create. Function call 26th September. Executable program. Save. Over here, we have data v mactex type mactex. Parameters p underscore matner type matner. And over here, at this point, what we'll do, we'll go to more pattern and our function module is 26 September. Yeah. This is where was that function call. Sorry, the name was now this is where 26 September. Continue. Over here, it actually brings up the import and export. Okay. I'll deactivate this. So IM Matner is equal to P underscore Matner. And export mactex will be, it's pretty easy. Be mactex. Mactex. Okay, and no full stop. No full stop because call function actually is starting from here and ends at this full stop. Okay, so no full stops are needed because this is the whole module that is being pulled in. Okay. And write v underscore mactex check Activate. Okay, direct processing. Let's first process this. MM01PP, this is material number. Execute. Okay. Function group 2. Because it found a statement that could not be executed and include line 2 of the program is missing. The report program statement is missing. The program type is included. Function call. So if there is an error in function, it does not actually has to see that the program is run down again. Okay, so you can actually go to the function and correct it. Okay, function call, data VMAC call function, VMAC text. Function call, start of selection, function, page up, call function, MATLAB. Okay. The report program statement is missing or the program type is included. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's do one thing. Report. Function pool. DT67 function call 26th September. Okay. And function and function. Import. Let's see, all the things are in place. Everything is in place. Check. Report program statement already exists. Line number 9. Okay, let me check. Function, activate. Function pool. Function pool. I am Matner is unknown. Okay. I am Matner zone nesting not correct and function does not have open control structure starting with function. Function. Function pool. Test and execute. Yes. I am Matner. MM01PP. Continue. MM01PP. Okay. Okay. SC37. Change. Function pool. Function. And it says it does not recognize I am Matner. Matner, import material, import. active. Now this is active source code. Okay. Okay, yes, this is include. Activate. Now let's go to our SC38 change. So basically, this is the premise. Invoke functions and include that function in the program. Parameters, data, and this is the report. This report is basically calling the function, okay, where we are matching IMMATNER and export MACTEX with VMACTEX, okay. Activate direct processing, MM01PP. Okay. There is something missing, but it's not actually getting to the point. But anyways, we'll see it in the next one then.